Welcome to Batty Mate's channel.
G'day guys, it's Batty Mate here. I'm just about to open up the PC I ordered from BPC. It's taken about a whole month to get here. There we go. So I've just pulled it out of the box, and this was inside the box. We've got a 3080 box. We've got our motherboard with the Wi-Fi, and it's got surround sound 6.1. What we got here? A few USB ports, USB Type C. It is a Intel CPU in here. Let's have a look at this case. Let's get all this plastic off. Wow, look, it's all packed with foam. That's a good start. That means they've done some sort of care to their box. That me tipped it up. Oh, it's got some nice little things on the case. So it is a pretty cheap case. Yeah, $70, I think the case is on their site. I'll have a look here. Got some USBs, some sound. I actually don't know if that's microphone or just headphones. I'm guessing it's headphones. Reset button, power button. The front of the case. And now we've got to get everything out of the case. We do have a bulge on the back, which is interesting. I guess the graphics card might have been too big or something. Something's happened in shipment, and it's bulged that part out, which is interesting. We'll find out more. The box isn't damaged or anything, but that doesn't mean that it hasn't been thrown around. Okay, let's get all these screws out. I'll put them in there so we know where they are. Okay, let's take the glass off if we can. Just loose up like that. That's our glass sheet. That's actually really nice and thick, actually. Alright, so ooh, we got our graphics card in there. What's this? I'll have a look in this later. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing it might be power cables or other things in there. I don't know. We'll have a look at that later. Could be a number of things. Alright, so we'll get this foam out. The graphics card isn't even in its spot, which I thought, I don't know if it's damaged or not. I will plug it in and find out if it will turn on. We've got a number of cables here too, so that's interesting. So it is screwed in. The graphics card is screwed in, but it shouldn't be out of its spot like that. Let's get that out. I can't move it at the moment. Got a number of fans. I don't know what brand they are. They're not the best spinning ones, but well, this one spins nice on the back. These ones on the front, they don't really spin, so I don't know if they're going to be any good. But yes, our graphics card is out of its socket, so we'll have to get that one back in there before turning on the computer. We could have a big problem. So let's move this further away and let's get into it. So I don't think I can just bend it back down either. Oh yeah, I can. So I just pushed it back in And let's see if I can just push it in the slot. And it looks like the slot is actually broken off of it. So if I move around the case, you might have like a little battling thing happening around here, but it looks like the actual holder for the card has snapped off in shipment. So there's nothing holding over. So that's the graphics card there, and there should be a latch that goes over it. So I don't know. Yeah, power supplies in there. Got our 2 RAM sticks. I hope our RAM's still plugged in nice. This feels nice and firm. We've got our normal Intel thing going on there. I wouldn't recommend using these forever if you're going to be stressing it out, but you know. And my M.2, I don't think I've got an M.2 in here. That's okay. Alright guys, we'll snap to turning the computer on and hopefully it boots up. We're gonna find out if it doesn't. And it has posted, guys, so that's a good sign, and we are running for the graphics card, so that is another good sign. We just need to get some Windows installation. It is really nice colors actually, though I reckon it'd get pretty annoying after a while, but it's just me.
Watch or press subscribe. It's free.
Like and hit the bell icon if you want the latest videos.
Follow me at BattyMate on Facebook. Thanks for watching.